Welcome to solverfy.
So we have our drinking cup, and we can see that the base of it is 6 centimeters wide, and the top of it is 9 centimeters wide. So if we roll it along the ground, it's going to turn, right? It's going to turn toward the 6 centimeter side, because the 9 centimeter side, with every rotation, the 9 centimeter side will cover more distance. Now we know that velocity is equal to a change in distance over change in time, right? So we know that if it rolls for the same amount of time, it rolls for a certain amount of time, the same amount of time passes for the bottom of the cup as does for the top of the cup. But the top of the cup goes farther. So then the top of the cup, the delta x will be bigger, so it'll have a higher velocity. So now we got to figure out how much higher of a velocity. And really that depends on the circumference of the top of the cup and the circumference of the bottom of the cup, right? It's the distance around the circle. Well, the circumference is proportional to the radius. It's actually pi times the diameter. So we know that since the radius of the top is 1.5 times the radius of the bottom, then the distance traveled by the top will be 1.5 times the distance traveled by the bottom, right? So then the top is going to travel 1.5 times faster than the bottom.